Hey, it's me, Tech Freak, your friendly neighborhood technology guy. Did you know that the secret instructions controlling ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and dozens of other AI tools, the actual words telling them how to behave, are sitting right now on GitHub for anyone to read? These system prompts were never meant to be public, but they are. And what they reveal about how these companies really build their products is honestly kind of shocking. Hey, it's Tech Freak. So today I'm pulling back the curtain on something most people in AI don't talk about openly: leaked and extracted system prompts. These are the hidden instructions baked into every AI tool you use, and a growing community on GitHub has been collecting, cataloging, and analyzing them. I'm going to break down what system prompts actually are, why the ones on GitHub matter so much, and how you can use what's in them to dramatically improve your own AI workflows. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I drop AI and tech breakdowns every week so you can stay ahead of the curve without doom-scrolling Twitter all day. So let's start with the basics. Every time you open ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or really any AI assistant, before you type a single word, there's already a conversation happening. The AI has already received instructions. That's the system prompt. Think of it like a backstage director whispering in an actor's ear right before the curtain goes up. You're helpful. You're honest. You refuse to do these things. You format responses this way. You have access to these tools. The user never sees it, but it shapes everything. Now here's where it gets interesting. Multiple repositories on GitHub, the biggest ones have tens of thousands of stars, have been aggregating these system prompts from major AI products. Some are extracted through clever prompt injection, where users trick the AI into revealing its own instructions. Others come from developers who've intercepted API calls. And some are just found, sitting in public documentation that nobody thought to hide. What you find in these repos is remarkable. Full system prompts from ChatGPT, including its different modes like browsing, DALL-E, and code interpreter. Claude's constitutional AI instructions. Prompts from Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity, Cursor, V0 by Versal, and dozens of smaller tools. Some of these prompts are a few hundred words. Others are thousands of words long. Essentially entire rulebooks governing how the AI thinks, responds, and limits itself. And the model identifiers attached to them tell you exactly which version of which model each product is actually running under the hood, not always what they advertise. So why should you care about a bunch of leaked text files? Because these system prompts are basically a masterclass in prompt engineering, written by the best AI teams on the planet. Think about it. OpenAI spent months, probably years, iterating on the exact instructions that make ChatGPT behave the way it does. The phrasing, the structure, the order of operations. When you read their system prompt, you're reading the output of millions of dollars in research and testing. For free. But it goes deeper than that. These prompts reveal strategic decisions. For example, when I read through the Perplexity system prompt, I could see exactly how they instruct the model to handle citations. It's incredibly specific about when to cite, how to format sources, and when to synthesize versus quote directly. That's not just a prompt. That's their entire product differentiation baked into a block of text. The model information is equally revealing. Some companies market themselves as using the latest GPT-4 when their system prompts show they're actually running a fine-tuned GPT-4 Mini or a specific snapshot from months ago. Others are quietly using Claude on the back end while their branding suggests a proprietary model. The GitHub repos expose all of this. For developers and builders, this is gold. If you're creating an AI-powered app, you can study how the best in the business structure their instructions. What guardrails do they set? How do they handle edge cases? What's their fallback behavior? I've seen startups completely redesign their system prompts after studying what's in these repos and see immediate improvements in output quality. And for everyday users, understanding system prompts changes how you interact with AI. Once you know the rules the model is playing by, you can work with them or creatively around them to get dramatically better results. All right, let's get practical. Here's how I actually use these GitHub repos to level up my AI game. Step 1. Find the repositories. The biggest one is simply called System Prompts or Awesome System Prompts on GitHub. Search for System Prompt Collection and sort by stars. You'll find several with 10,000 plus stars. Fork or bookmark the ones that are actively maintained. Some update within days of a new prompt being discovered. Step 2. Study the structure, not just the content. When I read a system prompt from ChatGPT or Claude, I'm not just reading what it says. I'm looking at how it's organized. The best system prompts follow a pattern: identity first, then capabilities, then constraints, then formatting rules, then edge case handling. That hierarchy matters. AI models weight instructions differently based on position and emphasis. Notice how many of them use numbered lists, XML-style tags, or explicit priority markers. These structural choices are intentional. Step 3. Extract reusable patterns. I keep a personal swipe file of prompt techniques I've pulled from these repos. Things like how OpenAI handles "I don't know" scenarios. They don't just say "be honest." They give the model a specific framework for expressing uncertainty. Or how Cursor's system prompt gives the AI a detailed mental model of a codebase before asking it to write code. These patterns are transferable. I've taken techniques from the Perplexity prompt and applied them to my own research workflows with Claude. Immediate improvement. Step 4. Build your own system prompts using what you've learned. This is where it all pays off. Take the best structural ideas from 3 or 4 different prompts and create a custom instruction set for your own use case. I've built custom system prompts for content research, script outlining, code review, and email drafting. Each one borrowed techniques from what the top companies are doing. The difference between a lazy one-liner system prompt